If GIMP is acting strange, your tools are glitching, your shortcuts changed, or the whole workspace looks completely different, the fastest fix is to reset GIMP back to its default settings. In this video, I'll show you how to do that the safe and easy way, and I'll also show you the hard reset method in case GIMP is crashing or won't even open properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump in. First, let's use the standard built-in reset method because this is the recommended option for most users. Open GIMP on your computer, then go up to the top menu bar and click Edit. If you're on a Mac, you may see GIMP in the top menu instead. From there, click Preferences. This opens GIMP's settings window where you can control everything from interface behavior to tool options, theme settings, keyboard shortcuts, and more. Now look down toward the bottom left corner of the Preferences window. You should see a Reset button. Click that button and GIMP will ask you to confirm that you want to reset all options back to their default values. This is the important part because this action will restore the factory-style settings across the app. Click Reset again to confirm. After that, click OK to close the Preferences window. The reset is basically complete at this point, but there's one more step you should not skip. Close GIMP completely, then reopen it. Restarting the program helps the default settings load properly, and you should now see GIMP back in its original state. That means tool behavior, window layout, themes, and other preference changes should be restored to the way they were when you first installed the software. If you had customized shortcuts or changed the interface heavily, this is the quickest way to get everything back to normal without messing around in system folders. Now, if GIMP is crashing on startup, freezing, or not letting you access the Preferences menu at all, you'll need to use the hard reset method. This method works by clearing your user profile folder so GIMP creates a fresh new settings profile the next time it launches. Just keep in mind that this is a more aggressive reset, so it should be used when the normal in-app method is not possible. Before you do anything, make sure GIMP is fully closed. Then on Windows, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Type %appdata%, then \GIMP, then \, and press Enter. This will take you to GIMP's user folder. Inside that folder, you'll see a version folder such as 2.0 or 3.0. At this point, you can either delete that folder or rename it as a backup. Renaming is usually the safer choice because it preserves your custom brushes, scripts, or plugins in case you want to copy them back later. If you delete the folder, GIMP will still rebuild a brand new one the next time you open it, but anything manually installed in that profile folder will be removed from the active setup. After you've renamed or deleted the folder, open GIMP again. The software will generate a fresh default profile, and it should launch like a clean installation. This is especially useful if GIMP has become corrupted or if your settings are causing persistent problems that the normal reset cannot fix. So to recap, if GIMP opens normally, use Edit, Preferences, and the Reset button. If GIMP won't open properly, use the hard reset by clearing the user profile folder. Either way, you can get GIMP back to its factory default settings in just a few minutes. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to reset individual parts of GIMP, like the toolbox, shortcuts, or workspace layout in a separate video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.